My name is Carlos Roldan, and today I'm presenting Satoshis Games for the Blockstack Don't Be Evil contest. Satoshis Games is an 8-bit retro gaming platform built on top of Bitcoin Lightning Network. When you access for the first time, this is the website that you see with a welcome message. There are some games which are for free to play with an account, and some other Bitcoin games you require an account to play. Some of the features of Satoshi's Games is that it's a gaming platform built on Lightning Network. It has esports competitions, each game has in-game transactions, and then you have a Lightning shop in the platform. Let's jump ahead and register. So this is the benefits of having an account. So you can play esports tournament, you can have a user ownership where you can access avatar packs, you can link your Twitter, you can withdraw Satoshis from games, and of course you can play Lightning enabled games. The way you can access is you can import your seed, you can log in with Blockstack, or you can log in and creating an account by paying an invoice request on Lightning. For this demonstration, let's log in with Blockstack, and then we click and we get directed to the Blockstack authentication page. Then we confirm, and then we are logging into the platform. So here you can link your Twitter. This is the Blockstack username. Here are displayed the avatars that you purchased in the shop, and this is your balance, and you can withdraw here. You can withdraw using Joel, or you can withdraw by paying an invoice request. We'll do after. So there are some preferences on your account, and you can export your account from this session by copying this, and this is your seed, and you can save it in a safe place and have it. And you can subscribe to the Satoshis Games newsletter, where discounts and updates are provided in case you want to. So this is the Lightning shop. Here there are some avatars, so cool avatars. You can customize your profile and display your profile in the leaderboard, which is in the next section. We'll talk in the score section. So let's say that we want actually this avatar, and then we click on pay 110 Satoshis, and then we scan this QR code, or we just basically click on it and we'll open a wallet natively. And you can open a channel by scanning this channel by this node ID. So there are also tickets that grant you to play esports tournaments, or they give you an extra vote in the voting section where users can vote for new games to be developed. There's also a premium ticket, which is basically the way you can support our development of Satoshi's Games. And you have an avatar of each pack, you have 10 tickets, you have lives on games, you have additional content that you receive. Of course, it costs 500,000 Satoshis. And then this is the score. On the score, you have all of the Bitcoin enabled games which have a score. You have their score. If you click, you can access their Twitter. So on this score, this is for the community, and in case you want to open a quick channel to us, you just can click there. There are a few additional features, such as you can recover your account by pasting the pre-image, or you can actually see the credits, or read a Medium article about how to earn Bitcoin while playing games, playing a specific game, or playing another specific game, as well as visiting the frequent asked question. So let's jump ahead to the main features, and here we have the games. This is the free section, which means that you don't need an account to play those games, and you can, of course, always play without an account and for free. So all of these games have been developed for crypto community by crypto developers, and in this case, this is a text-based adventure animation game where you are in the shoes of Satoshi Nakamoto, and you have to take decisions whether to move the project in a forum called Bitcoin Talk, or continue in a different forum, or approve the sale with 2x, don't approve it. So you are creating Bitcoin, and you have to actually take decisions on the game. This is, for example, a Minecraft Bitcoin game that you have to, of course, it's a survival game with crypto jokes inside. zombies that they want to steal your private keys. Let's jump ahead and play this one so you have a demonstration of how the games work. So you can play games full screen and it's cooler this way. And let me actually move to this. So all of the games here are optimized for mobile devices, which mean that if you access from a mobile device, you don't need an app. You can access through your phone and play the games either way. So, okay, now let's see the Bitcoin games, which are more attractive for my point of view. So we have 4 Bitcoin-enabled games at the moment. We have a Candy Crush type of game. We have a Flappy Crypto, a Super Mario type of game, and a Lightning Agar, which is an Agar type of game. So let's jump to my favorite one. I love this game because it's the classic Super Mario. It's an knockoff from the Super Mario game where each coin in the game is a real Satoshi. And the way you can earn Bitcoin by playing this game is very simple, because if you finish the game and you actually make it to rescue Satoshi Nakamoto, you finish the game and those Satoshis are transferred to your profile, and from your account, from your profile section, you can withdraw them to your Bitcoin wallet. Now, if you die in the middle of the process, which is likely to happen because it's the first time you're playing, then you die and you have to start again. But you can try as much as you want and until you get used to it. In fact, we have a few users that they are streaming on Twitch how they play this game, and they are casting out Satoshis and donating to charities by playing this game. And this is an unexpected behavior that we didn't expect to have this in the platform, but it is how it is and it's nice. You can buy in-app purchases here, such as additional lives in case you are not used to play this game and you are likely to die, or you can actually buy a multiplier, so every coin that you picked up in the game is multiplied by 2. That's very cool. So actually I'm gonna go for it and I'm gonna pay this payment request to let you know how this works. So I just paid with my Bitcoin wallet, and right now I'm gonna actually go and play for this game. It's supposed to be now that every coin that I have is equal to 2 Satoshis, and we'll be able to see the Satoshis here. There is 70, whoa, what a bunch of enemies. So now, as we see, we have those enemies right there. It's quite hard. And yeah, that's how the game is. Whoa. So yeah, if you actually make it to finish the game, I died. So you can withdraw the Satoshis from the game, and that's the way it works. It's not based on probability, it's based on skill. It's a skill-based game where there is value in the game, and you can invest in your skills. So yeah, I died, but I can try as much as I want. I won't try more, so you can have other games. This is a really competitive game as well that I really like a lot. I don't know how the rendering process is going to work, since this is a game that probably goes to 20 frames per second. But in this game, because I'm recording my screen from my desktop, so let's see how this goes. In order to play, I first need to pay a ticket to enter the game, and once I pay the game, I'm gonna pay right now with my Bitcoin wallet. Once this is paid, I click on confirm, and now I put the same username as my Satoshis Games username to link both accounts, and now I'm gonna choose a skin and I'm gonna play. Okay, yeah, the frames are not very cool. So this is the leaderboard of people right here, and I paid to enter 1,000 Satoshis, and then if I kill an enemy in the game, I eat their Satoshis. So this is the way it works, and it's quite attractive because you pay to for an entry in the game, and then to start the game, and then once you kill others, you get the Satoshis, and you can of course withdraw from the Satoshis Games website. Let's see if I split myself. Let's see if I can find any enemy here. Oh, that's one. Okay, I'm gonna hit you. So let me see if I actually make it. Oh my god, this frame per second is quite bad. Okay, I think I can split myself. Okay, I actually hit it. Now I'm not gonna continue, so I can show you the way this works, because now in my profile I'm supposed to have Satoshis from him. So yeah, if I keep playing and I keep beating others, I keep getting Satoshis and I can withdraw it. Now let me show you the way this works in the challenges, and well, first the vote is gonna be easier and faster. Here you can vote with your account any type of game that you want to see in the next months. And we have now 3 games, and you can read the descriptions, and if you like it, you can actually have a preview of how this game will be worked. And yeah, so basically I don't think I can vote because I already bought for this one with this account, but let's see if this works. Okay, yeah, I already bought, so it means if I can buy a ticket, I can have an extra vote. So now let's see the challenges. Challenges are really good. Okay, this is not activated. The challenges, the way they work is you can play and earn Bitcoin every day, and you don't need to finish a game to play. You only need to unlock the challenge. And this is translated in the way that you can play a game once a day, and it doesn't require much time like the Super Mario or the Lightning Agar, or much skills to actually cash out Satoshis and withdraw them. But of course, you can only play once a day, and that's the way it works in this game. And for this demonstration, I'm going to enable, because I already played this game today, and I'm this challenge, and I'm going to enable this challenge from the backend to allow me to play a game. So okay, so now this should work. Okay, so this works. The way it works is simple. You have a jumping dice, and this is the combination of colors when you click. So if you click, you change your color, and you have to match the color to the base color to get 10 Satoshis, and it's unlimited. So at the beginning you have 3 seconds to get ready, and then you go. And let's make it. Let's play the game. So 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm very bad at this. Let's see how this goes. Okay, you see, I mean, I'm not very good at this game because you need to know the combination of the colors. Let me actually try it again for this demonstration so you can check it out, because it's very attractive, the model of playing everyday games and getting Satoshis just for playing. Okay, I need to get this time. Okay, 10 Satoshis right there. Okay, it was what it was, only 10 Satoshis. I'm happy. I cannot play until the next day, and now I'm going to withdraw my Satoshis to my account. So I'm gonna issue an invoice request from my mobile wallet. Okay, I want to receive 510 Satoshis. Let me create the invoice. Okay, and once my invoice is created, I'm gonna copy my payment request from the invoice, and I'm gonna paste it here. See, this is correct. Okay, using invoices I issued, and I'm gonna withdraw. And when I click in withdraw, okay, the 510 Satoshis are on their way, and I like to prove from my screenshot that I have in my mobile, or from my screen, that I received the payment. But I invite you to do it, to have some Satoshis and to cash them out to your account and to your mobile wallet or whatever wallet you use, even if you use Yowl. And yeah, so that's it. And thank you very much for listening to me.